The very important video. In this video, I explains you the most important essay question from the chapter circles. Guarantee this model question comes in the public examination. This is very important model, and in this video I explain this question, consecutive question. Now these are also the consecutive problems, very important sums. In the description, the solutions of these 4 questions are available. Okay, I am explaining this question now. After watching the video, all of you do these questions. Okay, consecutive question, most important. So I am telling the solution here. Listen carefully. To see the processor clearly, when you know the processor, then you will do any of the questions. All questions are of the same model. First, you must know the processor. When you know the processor, it's very easy to solve the question. So first I take the given points. Given points are, what are the given points here? 4 points are given, and the 4 points are 2, 0, 0, 1, 4, 5 and 0, c. But here I take only first 3 points. Okay, leave the 4th point and take only the first point. To all problems, this is the only processor. And first we take the equation of the circle in standard form. That equation of the circle in standard form is, what is the standard form circle equation? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of the circle in standard form. Now replacing the given points one by one in this equation. That is, first I replace the point 2, 0 in the circle equation. Then what we get? 2 square, x is equal to 2 here, 2 square, 4 plus 0 square, 0 plus 2g into 2, that is 4g, 2f into 0, that is 0 plus c is equal to 0. That is, the first equation is 4g plus c plus 4 equal to 0. Say equation 1. We take that this is equals to equation 1. Now replacing the second point in the circle equation. Okay, that is 0 square, that is 0 plus y is equal to 1. 1 square, 1, 2g into 0, that is 0, 2f into 1, that is 2f plus c is equal to 0, which implies 2f plus c plus 1 equal to 0. Means simply writing the constant last, 2f plus c plus 1 is equal to 0. Say equation 2. Okay, now replacing the third point, that is 4, 5. Now x square, x is equal to 4, 4 square 16, y square, y is equals to 5, y square 25, 2g into 4, that is 8g, 2f into 5, that is 10f plus c is equal to 0. That is 8g plus 10f plus c plus, adding these two numbers, then what we get? 41 is equal to 0. This is equation 3. Okay, the procedure is first replacing the given points in the circle equation. Now solving of these 3 equations to get the values of the g of c and replacing the values in this equation to get the required answer. That is the procedure. Now solving these 3 equations to get the values of the g of c. Okay, for that, first here I take that first 1 and 2 equations first here and 2 and 3 equations here. Okay, this is the only procedure to solve all the questions. So all of you, first you must know the procedure. Okay, listen carefully. 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0, 2f plus c plus 1 equal to 0. Taking the 1, 2 equations here, and here 2, 3 equations. 2f plus c plus 1 is equal to 0, and this is 8g plus 10f plus c plus 41 is equal to 0. Now just we cancel the letter c from equations. This is the easy procedure. All of you first cancel the letter c, that is here plus c both are having the same sign, that is just changing the signs of the second equation. Okay, first check here, plus c both are same, that is to cancel these two letters, first of all we have to change the sign here. Okay, minus here also minus minus. Here also change the signs of the only second equation to only second equation, change the signs. Plus means we take minus, plus means take minus, plus means take minus, plus means take minus. Here plus c minus c gets cancelled. Now what are the remaining values? What is the first value? 4g. What is the next one? Minus 2c. These two letters are different letters, so we don't subtract here. This is g term, this is f term. Okay, 4g minus 2f plus But here we take the subtraction. 4 minus 1, that is plus 3 is equal to 0. And what is this here? First letter minus 8g. Now we can take the subtraction here. 2f, 10f, both are same terms. 2f minus 10f, that is minus 8f. 1 minus 41 minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, take the only minus for cancellation. Then what we get? 2g plus 2f plus 10 is equal to 0. Why? Because we have to solve these two equations. That is, here what we have the terms 4g 2f. We want to form the same terms to cancel that letter. Okay, here we have the 2f. I want to form the same term 2f here. For that reason only I am taking only minus 4 common, not 8 here. Here we can take the, of course we can take the 8 also, but here I am taking minus 4 only. Why? Because here we have the minus 2f, here we get the plus 2f. So here these two terms are cancelled. For that reason I am taking only minus 4 common here. Okay, 0 by minus 4 is equal to 0. Then what is the equation here? 2g plus 2f plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the equation 4 and this is the equation 5. Okay, this equation 4, this equation 5. Now we have to solve these two equations. Means writing the 4 and 5 equations from 4 and 5. What is fourth equation? 4g minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. And what is fifth equation? 2g plus 2f plus 10 equal to 0. So here, see here, minus 2f plus 2f means there is no need to change the signs. Look here, plus c, both are same, both are plus sign. So here we change the sign. But here minus 2f plus 2f, both are opposite signs. These fundamentals are very important to solve the question and to get the answer. All of you learn carefully these fundamentals. Now adding the remaining terms, 4g plus 2g, 6g and 3 plus 10, 13 is equal to 0. That is 6g is equal to minus 13. Then the value of g is equal to minus 13 by 6. Okay, this is g value. Now replacing this g value in the fourth equation to get f value. Replacing this g value in the fourth equation to get the f value. That is from fourth equation. Writing fourth equation here. What is fourth equation? 4g minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. 4 into minus 13 by 6 minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 times, 3 times. That is minus 26 by 3. 2 into minus 13. Minus 26 by 3 minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. Which implies, now we want the 2f value, that is placing this minus 2f here and writing this minus 26 by 3 to that side. That becomes plus 26 by 3 and writing this plus 3 to this side. That becomes minus 3. That is minus 2f is equal to, now taking LCM, 26 minus 9 by 3. That is 2f is equals to minus 2f is equal to 17 by 3. Then the value of f is equals to 17 by minus 6. Writing this minus 2 to this side. Therefore the value of f is equal to minus 17 by 6. Already here we have that value of g is equal to minus 13 by 6. Now what we want? We want the only one value, that is equal to c value. How to find that value? Now replacing these two values in any one of the first equation or second equation or third equation. We can take these two values in either any of the three equations. So I take first equation here. Okay, we can replace these two values in any of the three equations, but I replace this value in the first equation. What is the first equation? 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Now what is g value? Already here we have that g is equal to minus 13 by 6. 4 into minus 13 by 6 plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. This 2 times, this is 3 times. Minus 26 by 3 plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. Now we want the c value. Now writing this minus 26 by 3 to this side. That becomes plus 26 by 3. And writing this plus 4 to this side. That becomes minus 4. Now taking 3 LCM here, 26 minus 12 by 3 is equals to 14 by 3. Therefore C is equal to 14 by 3. Therefore G is equal to minus 13 by 6, F is equal to minus 17 by 6, C is equal to 14 by 3. Now replacing these three values in the standard form equation, that is replacing the values in x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square plus 2 into g value minus 13 by 6 into x plus 2 into f value minus 17 by 6 into y plus c value 14 by 3 is equal to 0. Now it is cancelled by 3 times here. So the circle equation is x square plus y square minus 13x by 3 minus 17y by 3 plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. Now taking 3 LCM here, 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, 3x square 3y square. Now 0 into 3 is equal to 0. Therefore circle equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 equal to 0. But here what is the given question? Find the value of the given points are concyclic. So given that given points are concyclic means the last point lies on this circle. Given that given points are concyclic. So this is given that given points are concyclic. That is last point 0 comma c lies on the circle. Now replacing the last point in this circle equation to get the value of the c. Okay. Now replacing the point 3 into 0 square 0, 3 into c square 3c square minus 13 into 0 0 minus 17 into c plus 14 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0, y is equal to c. Now what is the equation? 3c square minus 17c plus. To get the c value we have to take the factorization. What are the factors here? Minus 14c minus 3c plus 14 is equal to 0. Now taking c common here, then we get 3c minus 14, and taking minus 1 common here, that is 3c minus 14. Again taking 3c minus 14 common here, 3c minus 14 into c minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 3c minus 14 equal to 0, c minus 1 equal to 0. c is equal to 1, 3c is equal to 14, and c is equal to 14 by 3. And here we don't take that c is equals to 1. c is equal to 1, then the what becomes? The point becomes 0 comma 1. This is already given. Therefore we take that c is equal to 14 by 3 only. We don't take that c is equal to 1. c is equal to 1 means what is the point? 0 comma 1. But already this is the given point. So the 4 points becomes 3 points. That is, we don't take that c is equal to 1. So c is equal to only 14 by 3. That's all. The most important essay question. And in the textbook we have 5 questions concyclic problems. And I am giving the 4 problems in the description. So all of you once check the description also.